I found a better way to advertise on Facebook. So if you're someone that's currently doing Facebook ads and not getting the conversions or the actual sales that you're looking for, then you're gonna want to watch this video in full detail because I'm gonna be breaking down step by step on how you can do your Facebook ads better. And it all stems to one thing: on creating an omnipresent Facebook ad marketing campaign. So this is the true way to unlock success when running Facebook ads, and I'm going to be sharing it every step of the way on how you can do this in order to have your ads actually become profitable for you. What's going on, everyone? I've spent a ton of money on Facebook ads and learned many lessons and many things on what not to do. But right now, currently, me and my team for our real estate business, every $1,000 that we put into Facebook ads, we make about $10,000 back. So we have a 10-to-1 return on the Facebook ads that we're currently running for my business. And I just want to share some of the changes that we made with our Facebook ads in order to start having success instead of lighting that money on fire and getting no conversions and no sales. So it all starts off with creating that omnipresent Facebook marketing ad campaign. What do I mean by omnipresent? Do you ever feel like you just see certain brands or certain people absolutely everywhere, and that their marketing is just continue to seem almost present and no matter what you do, especially when you go on some sort of digital platform, they're always sticking around? Well, this is because of all the tools that Facebook has, and if you're not setting up your ads correctly, you're not unlocking the secrets to how you can create that omnipresent campaign. And with all the retargeting and tracking capabilities that you can do, once people show interest in your ads, those are the ones who are the closest down the sales funnel that you can actually convert instead of trying to keep going out to wider audiences. So let's break it down, the strategy that you need to implement. It all starts off with having a really good game plan on what you're creating your ads around. So if I'm in the real estate industry and I'm wanting to drive more traffic and create up a really wide funnel, you need to be putting out content for different stages and different types of ads. I'm not saying you got to get really complex here and you got to design 10 different ads. 3 different ones are going to be the way to go, and you run them in sequence. So you get your first ad going, then your second, and then you continue to retarget those people that show interest as they come down the sales funnel. The best thing that you want to do with this stuff is if you're selling a product or whatever, is you want to show them and not tell them. If you got some sort of magic ball that's going to release all your back pain, you want to show some sort of image of them using this and then them being able to walk way clearer instead of just explaining all the benefits of it. Visually, people, that's what we understand, and that's what gets them to convert. So I'm building up my omnipresent campaign to retarget people so they see me everywhere. I'm starting out with very general content. So if I go back to my real estate industry, and if I'm trying to target people who are potentially going to relocate to my market, I would put a video, an Instagram reel or a video putting out there saying the 5 reasons why you should move to Kelowna, British Columbia. And then once I get enough signups and people that interact with that, then I'll go down to the second stage of the funnel where they're about medium warm in the sales cycle. And I would do the 3 top neighborhoods for families in Kelowna, British Columbia. And do that with a video where I'm talking about the schools and all the functions that families can do there, or in a simple article attached to an image. And then the third, I would do the number 1 neighborhood for families in Kelowna is Lower Mission. Here's all the current homes for sale. And so I've started off with 1,000 people at the general. I maybe got 200 people that went to the warm, and now I got 20 people that came in to the very bottom. And then I actually converted 2 of those people by developing and retargeting them with this omnipresent campaign. It's where people are going to see me everywhere, and they think that my brand is the go-to person in order to help them solve their problem or whatever product I'm selling, they're going to be wanting to have it. So steps to do this effectively is really define your campaign and how you can start general, warmer, and bring people down the sales cycle. Don't make it too complex. The next thing is you want to make sure you have your metapixel and everything installed on your tracking, on your websites if that's what you're leading them to, and make sure you have your audience set out to capture everyone that hits up and interacts with your Facebook ads. And then as you lead them down the funnel, you want to make sure you have a really good call to action that's going to get them to actually convert now that you've educated them, assisted them a whole step of the way. So if you're a real estate agent that's looking to do Facebook ads or currently doing ads, not getting the results you want, and you want to see what my team can offer and you'd like for me to run your ads and actually start getting sales and results from all the money that you're spending currently on ads, well then go in my description and fill out that form. And if you're the right fit for someone for us to partner with and help with their marketing, we'll reach out to you.